A few days after delivery, some women sit quietly and wonder, why is this so hard for me? Some feel pain, some feel doubt, some feel completely alone. But here is something every mother needs to hear. Yes, breastfeeding is natural, but it's not easy for everyone. And every mother will have a different journey. It's not the same for everyone. So, I welcome you to the second episode of the Go and Gynac podcast. Today's episode is a very special one because we have interviewed five real mothers and they have shared their real breastfeeding journey. So, if you are a breastfeeding mother who is struggling right now, watch this video because you will realize that you are not alone.
Hi, my name is Yeshoda Jog and I am from Panjim, Miramar. I am a mother of 3.5 years old boy. I am expecting second one very shortly.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shaleen, physiotherapist at Healthway Hospital, Old Goa.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Reena Zog and I'm staying in Miramar and I have one baby. So I like to share something with you. I'm a grandmother of one and to come second.
हॅलो माझे नाव प्रीती प्रशांत घाडी. मी हेल्थवे हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ॲज अ OT स्टाफ म्हणून काम करत आहे आणि मला 2 मुली झाल्या आहेत आणि मी स्वतः त्यांना ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग केलेलं आहे.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akansha Anji. I am a pediatrician and a neonatologist. I am working as junior consultant in Healthway Hospitals in Goa. God has graced me with one daughter. Here I am going to share my breastfeeding journey with her.
So Yashoda, what was the hardest part of your breastfeeding journey in the beginning?
Hardest part was that it was very new for me and I was new mom, so I was very afraid to hold the baby to breastfeed, and there were many people around saying you have to hold the baby properly while feeding. The baby should not suffocate. There is certain position for holding the baby while breastfeeding, and you should be very careful and be attentive and look at the baby all the time while he is latching the milk. So this all was the hardest part of breastfeeding. Then
When I had my daughter, though I knew everything, I knew all the literatures in the world, but it was not easy for me to start the breastfeeding journey. The hardship that I felt was the initial 2 days when I could not get enough supply, and my daughter was howling for feeds. And I also, on second hand, didn't want to introduce formula, knowing the benefits of exclusive breastfeeding. So it was quite a fight. It was quite internal stress that I was feeling that time, which I cannot explain in words. And being just delivered, my mental state was also not very good.
हय बाय म्हाका खूब डिफिकल्टी येयली कारण सोशल मिडिया ना कांयच ना म्हणजे अंधारान रावलेल्या सारकें हय काय ना. मागीर म्हाका इलें करून डॉक्टरान सांगलें, सगळ्यांनी सांगलें आनी म्हाजी जर्नी मागीर मातशी बरी सुदारली. नाजाल्यार पयली जर्नी ती सोंसपाची न्हय.
माझ्या ब्रेस्ट फिडिंगच्या वेळी दोन्ही मुलींच्या वेळी मला त्रास जाणवला. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला मी नर्स आहे पण मला माहीत होतं सगळं, पण ज्यावेळी मी स्वतः ब्रेस्ट फिडिंग करायला घेतलं त्यावेळी बाळ रडायचे, रडत होता. मग का रडतो ते सुद्धा मला कळत नव्हतं. बाळ निप्पलसुद्धा व्यवस्थित पकडत नव्हते, फिडिंग घेत नव्हता. त्यावेळी मी माझ्या फॅमिलीचा सपोर्ट घेतला आणि डॉक्टरांच्या सल्ल्याने मी ब्रेस्ट फिडिंग व्यवस्थित केलं बाळाला.
Journey very overwhelming in the beginning.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay. But then, how did things improve? How did you adjust to the breastfeeding journey?
With the help of family members and the caretaker, I slowly adjusted to the environment. Got help from the nurses. They showed me how to breastfeed and how to catch the baby while breastfeeding.
How I overcame it was I was constantly latching her. Like every 15 minutes I used to hold her for an hour or so continuously. So that way she was also pacified.
So Yashoda, any myth that you heard during your breastfeeding journey which you found later was not true?
Yes, I heard people telling me not to drink milk while breastfeeding, and the first milk after delivery you shouldn't give the baby because it is not good for the baby's health and all.
And then you found out that how colostrum is
Yes,
useful.
I found out.
Yeah.
So I've heard about many myths from my relatives and families about breastfeeding to avoid consumption of mackerels, shellfish, crabs, etc. And avoid eating cold items so that baby can catch cold. So these are some few which I got to know.
आणि तुमका म्हणजे जाणट्यांनी बी कितें सांगलां आसतलें हें अशें करनाका तशें करनाका
हय तेंच्यांनी खूब सांगलेलें पूण तें खरें नासलें. वयल्यान सफोकेट जालें हांव.
सो अशी एक खंयची तुमकां अशें कितें सांगिल्लें जें तुमकां कळ्ळें की खरें न्ही, अशी एक मीथ खंयची तुमी आमच्या
हय
दर्शकांक
लोक
share
म्हणटाले उदक पिवं नाका पण तें खरेंच ऑपोजिटूच आसलें. तें सारकें म्हणजे रॉंग तें सारकें रॉंग तें.
A myth about breastfeeding that I experienced, my family members were telling me not to eat, not to have something cold, avoid cold water, avoid anything taken out of fridge, and always freshly cooked meals, which was not all the time possible. And being in Goa, I have habit of having cold water for throughout the season. I cannot get satisfied with warm or normal temperature water. So that was quite stressing for me in the initial few days. But then I only explained them that it is not like that. It doesn't affect the baby. Mother drinking something cold cannot pass on to the baby. And finally the family members understood and gave me my freedom of that. Apart from that, some dietary facts were there, like don't eat lemon, don't eat orange or any citrusy fruit which can spoil the milk. That was very funny for me, and later I only explained to my family members that all of these are myths and do not affect the milk or the baby in any possible way.
मला ब्रेस्ट फिडिंगच्या वेळी थंडी झाली होती आणि त्यावेळी मला असं माझे नेबर्स म्हणा किंवा माझी आजी सासू वगैरे म्हणायला लागली की थंडी झाली तर बाळाला दूध नाही पाजायचं. पण मी डॉक्टरांच्या सल्ल्याने आणि त्यांनी जे काय सल्ला दिला ते वापरून मास्क वगैरे वापरून मी माझ्या बाळाला फिडिंग केलं. काहीच त्रास झाला नाही त्याच्यानंतर.
My message would be, if you have any myths regarding breastfeeding, regarding diet of the mother, regarding anything for that sort, please clarify with your doctor before blindly following anything, because we should not deprive the mother of any nutritious food that she should be having.
मला आता नवीन बाळांतर झालेल्या आईना काही सल्ला द्यायचा असलं तर काय असतं?
हां, मी नक्कीच देईन सल्ला. सध्या माझ्या घरी पण जाऊबाईंची डिलेवरी झाली तर मला खूप आवडेल सांगायला. ते जे फिडिंग करताना इमोशन्स येतात, बाळ ज्यावेळी दूध सक करतो आपलं त्यावेळी ते फिलिंग येते, बाळ ज्यावेळी ओढते ते खूप खूप म्हणजे खूप असं लवली असते. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हटल्या हार्मोन्स वगैरे आपले खूप चेंजेस झालेले असतात आणि त्यामुळे एक वेगळंच फील येते आपल्याला बाळाचं फिडिंग. आणि रोगप्रतिकार शक्ती असते. सपोज आपण बाळाला डिलेवरी झाल्या समजा लगेचच दूध पाजलं तर बाळाला जी रोगप्रतिकार शक्ती आहे ती जास्त प्रमाणात मिळते आणि त्याच्यामुळे बाळाचं जे आरोग्य आहे ते उत्तम राहते. बाळ आजारी पडत नाही वारंवार. त्यासाठी ब्रेस्ट फिडिंग हे लगेचच केलं तर खूप बरं आहे.
Take good care of yourself, even if you're a busy new mom. Exercise after you are comfortable, most preferably maybe after 3 months post delivery. Eat healthy foods in order to avoid excess weight gain during your breastfeeding phase.
भुरग्याक जितलें दूध जाय तितलें पिता तितलेंच बरें तें.
हय
तेका जेन्ना भूक लागता ती आमकां कळना,
हय करेक्ट.
बरोबर का? तेका भूक लागता ती आमकां कळना.
हय.
पूण
So
तें
cluster
आपल्याक जाय
feeding.
जाल्यार रोखडेंच पितलें न्ही.
हय करेक्ट.
पिना जाल्यार ओगी रावपाचें अशें म्हाका दिसता.
सो ऑन डिमांड फिडिंग
ऑन डिमांड, हय ऑन डिमांड कळना तेजो डिमांड,
हय
धरल्या शिवाय कळना तेजो डिमांड.
Correct,
म्हणून तें धरपाचें
हय
आनी मागीर पिता जाल्यार दवरपाचें, ना जाल्यार
सामकें
करप.
करेक्ट सांगलें तुमी. बेबीक धरपाक जाय सो दॅट
हय,
इवन बेबी
नावाय-
दूध घेना जाल्यार पसून तो आवयचो कॉन्टॅक्ट आनी बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉंग जाता.
जितको आवयचो कॉन्टॅक्ट आसता तितलो भुरग्याक बरो.
हय
सारको 101%.
Message would be to any expecting mother or any mother who is breastfeeding should be confident in you. God has created women in such a way that they can overcome anything. And for any doubt, do not give in to self-doubt. Do not give in to family pressure. Discuss these things with your doctor, and for that matter, for your friend who have already experienced breastfeeding and who already have breastfed their babies. That support would be tremendous for you. Do not go behind the numbers. My daughter was also not gaining in a very consistent way, but she was gaining adequately, and you should be satisfied by that as long as your baby is passing urine 6 to 8 times, is passing stools, is sleeping after the feeds for 1.5 hours, and is satisfied, not howling, then your milk is sufficient, I would say. Do not give in to self-doubts and continue breastfeeding. Do not introduce formula by coming in pressure of your family members or peer groups. Discuss everything before with your pediatrician, with your doctor, and then only come to a conclusion.
So, the theme of this year's Breastfeeding Awareness Week was prioritize breastfeeding and create a sustainable environment for the breastfeeding mothers. And as this week comes to an end, we spoke with Dr. Sanket Naik, consultant pediatrician and neonatologist at Hridaya Hospitals. And this is what he has to tell you.
ब्रेस्टफिडींग तुमकां जर सांगपाचें हांवें जाल्यार सगळ्यांत तुमकां कळपाक जाय तुमी फक्त मदराचेरूच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करता की ब्रेस्टफीड कर ब्रेस्टफीड कर ब्रेस्टफीड कर. तुमकां सगळ्यांक कळोंक जाय की तो सपोर्ट सिस्टम जो तिच्या भोंवतणी आसा तो खूब इम्पॉर्टंट. तो जर सपोर्ट सिस्टम तुमी स्ट्रॉंग करशात जाल्यार ब्रेस्टफीडिंग कॅन बी 100% सक्सेसफूल. इतलेंच तुमी लक्षांत दवरल्यार पुरो आय विल बी हॅपी.
So, no two journeys are the same. Some have it easy, some face challenges. So, if you're struggling with breastfeeding, ask for help. Get support from your family, from your doctors. Every problem has a solution. And remember, don't judge yourself. Worth is not measured by the way you fed your baby. The goal is a healthy mother and her healthy baby. So now I want to hear from you. So if you're a mother, then share your breastfeeding journey in the comments below so that another woman in need can read and feel supported and realize that she's not alone. If this video has helped you, then share this video with another mom or a new mom to be, and subscribe to my channel, The Goan Gynac, for more such evidence-based videos on pregnancy and lactation.